I'd now like to explore one of the instant rapport strategies called matching and mirroring. So they're basically two ways of connecting with people instantaneously, and we call these matching and mirroring. Basically, matching is doing the same thing as somebody else. So if I ask you to raise your right hand for me right now, I'm not going to ask you to swear on the Bible. All I'm going to do is I'm also going to raise my right hand. Now, the fact that you've got your right hand raised and I've got my right hand raised, this shows that we're matching. Okay, same hands up. All right. So that's the context. That's the idea of matching. If we explore the second component, which is mirroring, this creates a mirror image. So I'm going to ask you to raise your left hand for me now. And now your left hand is up. I'm going to raise my right hand, and this would be mirroring. So basically, this is what I would see if I was standing in a mirror. Although, obviously you're probably a lot more attractive than I am, and you've probably got a lot more hair than I have. Other than that, we're mirroring our hand gestures. So both matching and mirroring should be done subtly and not exaggerated. Okay, what I mean by that is I found when I first learnt neurolinguistics, this is the first thing that I learned in the context of rapport building. And I learned that mirroring and matching people was really effective. So I remember I actually went to Melbourne University and I met with the lecturer for the first time because I was really keen to get into the university, but I hadn't got in yet. And what I did is I remember sitting down and was mirroring the person's body posture. So the guy sat down, leant back, had his legs crossed, and I did the same thing. Now the thing with this, the idea is to connect, not to be offensive. Okay, so most people find it offensive if someone is mimicking them, and that's not what this is about. So when establishing rapport, the goal is to be natural and smooth and inconspicuous, and then people will develop that instant connection with you.